Sigma 105mm f2.8 DGDN macro art review. True one-to-one detail with portrait-level bokeh. If you love macro photography, you know the quiet frustration. You lean in for a close-up of a flower or product detail and something feels soft. The edges lack bite. The focus hunts at the worst moment. Or you capture a portrait and the background just looks busy instead of smooth. That subtle disappointment adds up. I remember reviewing a set of images late on a Sunday night, zooming to 100%, noticing chromatic fringing and thinking, this should look better. The sharpness just was not there. That lingering doubt can quietly drain your confidence, especially when clients expect precision. Have you ever felt that tiny sting when a technically good shot still does not look premium?
Over time, that inconsistency becomes more than a minor annoyance. You start second-guessing your technique. You wonder if it is your camera body, your lighting, or your editing. You spend extra minutes correcting color bleed and contrast in post because the files are not as clean as you hoped. And here is the thing. Macro work magnifies everything. Tiny focusing errors feel huge. Slight chromatic aberration becomes obvious. Even portraits suffer when subject separation is not crisp. The mental load increases. Instead of focusing on composition and storytelling, you are thinking about technical rescue. That constant micro-stress can quietly reduce how much you enjoy shooting. If you have ever hesitated before taking on a close-up project because you were unsure your lens could truly deliver edge-to-edge clarity, you understand how limiting that feels. It is not dramatic, but it is real.
Here is what finally worked. The Sigma 105mm f2.8 DGDN macro art changed how I approach both macro and portraits. Don't just pick any macro lens. Make sure it has true one-to-one magnification, so you never suffer disappointing half-life-size close-ups again. This lens delivers genuine one-to-one reproduction with a 29.5cm minimum focus distance and excellent working space. The optical design with SLD glass controls chromatic aberration, and sharpness is outstanding, even at f2.8. Autofocus is driven by a fast, quiet HSM motor, and a focus limiter helps speed things up. Weather sealing adds confidence outdoors. And interestingly, many photographers end up loving it just as much for portraits as for insects or product details. In real use, the advantages feel practical, not theoretical. At 105mm, you get flattering compression for head and shoulder portraits, combined with smooth bokeh from the 9 rounded diaphragm blades. Reviews from PC Mag and Photography Blog consistently describe the optics as near perfect or outstanding, with impressive edge-to-edge sharpness even wide open. That matches my experience. Files look crisp across the frame, which reduces time spent correcting softness or color fringing. An everyday user shooting flowers and small products told me the comfortable working distance made lighting easier compared to shorter macro lenses. That extra space matters. The lens is also dust and splash resistant, with sealing at the mount and controls, which is reassuring outdoors. Now, it is not lightweight at around 710 grams, and there is no optical stabilization, so you rely on in-body stabilization where available. But ask yourself, would you trade a bit of weight for this level of optical consistency? For many serious shooters, that balance feels right. The core transformation is simple. You move from hoping your macro shots are sharp to knowing they are. The Sigma 105mm f2.8 DGDN macro art gives you true one-to-one detail, strong aberration control, reliable autofocus, and portrait-worthy rendering in one lens. It is widely praised by reviewers and trusted by thousands of Sony E-mount and L-mount photographers for good reason. If you want to explore it further, check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Take your time, review the specs, and see if it fits your style. I think you will appreciate what it delivers.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.